much of the enterprise organizations. Apart from enterprise, we also been trusted by today's organization like OTT platforms or your payment gateway or e-learning platforms. They also are deployed or completely consume our services. Our product portfolio. So we provide complete suite of co-location services. That means you bring up your equipment completely, make them you can co-lo to our data center, where our team ensures that your systems, IT systems, receive optimum cooling, power, and network with highly redundant. So all of these capabilities or capacities are available in highly redundant capabilities. Apart, we provide you shared rack, full rack kind of systems. We have our own cloud computing platform. So you can have your public cloud, you can have your virtual private cloud, you can have dedicated private cloud. So if you're more concerned about your data security, privacy, you can always have your own dedicated private cloud. We have our own SAP cloud. So it's a SAP certified cloud cluster. We have banking cloud and a government cloud. So government cloud is also again audited and certified by Government of India by STQC. So this helps customer. We also have complete suite of managed services, right from your hosting services to take care of equipment to data and network services. Today we carry the capability for DR and backup services, that is any to any kind of DR capability. So we have your production workload on AWS, Azure, or in-house. You can have a DR onto our data center, whereas it could be vice versa as well. So we help the customer size it, configure it, customize the complete solution. That's where we are. What also differentiates, we provide the facility of work area recovery. So work area recovery is a temporary work area place for your staff to come across and work during a natural disaster. So customers subscribe for these services, which helps them wherein their staff can drop down to a data center, work during the I would say natural disasters. On to the backups, yes, we provide regular file and image backups. Those are available, cloud-open backups. So there are archival systems to keep your long-term backups, long-term archival dumps. We can use our services at a very, the bigger benefit of any of our services is those are flat priced. So we haven't made any complex, because I come from product management background and I believe in simplicity of services. So instead of making systems too complex for an end customer to understand, I work the reverse way. We have ensured that the systems or the complete pricing strategy or even the BOM that is delivered to the customer is very simplified. It is very straight up forward flat pricing with no hidden charges, which is something very important and key in today's world. Today on storage service, yes, we have our own layer of clusters deployed. So we have completely SSD storage cluster. Then there's a hybrid storage cluster called SSD accelerated storage. There is a SATA storage cluster. So customers can pick and choose. So you can have an object storage over SSD or object storage over hybrid or object storage over SATA. Customers can pick and choose, customize their requirement, customize the solution as per their application's requirement. So instead of us releasing out a specific SKU for you to map the application, we work with your application team, understand their requirement, understand their IOPS requirement, their network requirement, their network architecture, the application architectures, and provide you multiple options for right from storage, right from network, right from data center deployments. Maybe you have core deployment, that means all deployment happening at a single location, or maybe you have a edge and core kind of deployment where you have edge computing requirement across a geographical region, and then the core deployment to have a complete EIML kind of analysis being done. So example, you have a factory, let's say in Delhi, you have IoT deployed. You can have the IoT application to throughout the data through to our Delhi data center, which can act as an edge data center, and on the back end it can throw all the data back to the core data center in Mumbai, or it could be in Pune. It could, so all kind of options can be worked upon. So it's not necessarily a single location. We work multi-location. So all these locations are available for you for your own consumption. So we are available for you from CDN, cloud, bare metal, that's dedicated physical servers, colo, managed services. All of these services are available for you for your consumption, so that your IT team can work much more comfortably without the headache of finding the BMS guys at the end moment, especially in the Corona situation when finding the BMS guys. Finding them 24 by 7 working in this situation is kind of a difficult. We have seen much of the organization facing these issues. We've also found some of the IT teams requiring specific skill set during this Corona pandemic, and we help them with the required skill set as well on a short term or on a long term project basis. So that's also available through managed services. Managed skill set is available for you for your consumption. So all the services have been built for your IT team to work comfortably, to identify their pain points. We work with them and erase out those pain points. That's what something which we strive for, and that's where we would be working for. In today's HR Tech event, I'm pretty much sure you got a lot of HR heads speaking across, sharing their views, their point of views, their knowledge on the HR policies, etc. Of course, I'm someone who is able to deliver infrastructure required to deliver these HR applications or HR systems that would imbibe or that would help them build up their, I would say, it could be their knowledge base, it could be their people management skills. If you want to deploy in people management skills, people knowledge based systems, they can do that, and we are there to help across. What differentiates us? Yes, for the corona pandemic, we are helping organizations with a staggered way. We help them through the staggered payment. We help them with very, I would say, discounted payment systems, because we know that organizations have faced a lot of difficulties during the past 6 months. Much of the manufacturing units were closed, were not operational. So we are helping organizations to come online, build a digital economy for India today, and we are there to help you, support you down there in the future as well. So if you look at all our data centers, all our infrastructure layout, we are the grease workers for your digital economy. We ensure your systems are up and running, your plans, your projects are up and running, and we help you in whichever way possible, right? From it could be managed skill set availability, or it could be devices, physical devices. We don't want to invest into capex. We help you with the opex physical hardware. We help you with the opex based cloud computing systems. We help you with CDN systems for your e-learning platforms or for your OTT or web delivery systems. So those are all available for you. Apart, a small part that's available for you is any to any DR. So we have your production work running across in-house server room or in-house data center, or if you have production running in AWS or Azure or Google. Today we carry the capability to have DR on our cloud platform as well. So all the services are available for you. I'll surely ask you to do come back to us, reach out to us, make sure that your systems are up and running, and we are there to help you across. So some of the customer list which I mentioned across, we have got a good amount of enterprise customers, right from your L&D financial systems, FFC, Pidilite, Godrej, Netflix, Sony, Leelavati Hospital. So range of different customers, manufacturing, banking, OTT platforms. We have got healthcare as well, apart from the logistics, DHL being one of it. So wide range of customers who have been working with us, and they have trusted with their systems, and I pretty much surely guarantee that you can also trust us with your systems. So small brief overview, the kind of systems we use the best in the class. So we use all Cisco, your typical Dell HP systems, servers on the back end. So all the tools being consumed on our cloud technology, all in our data centers are industry brand names. So we don't compromise on quality, even though we are delivering it to you at very competitive prices. So we ensure that the top-notch systems are being used, or branded systems are used for your services. And I thank the HR Tech event and thank Jigyasa for the opportunity to